section formula. In this, coordinates of a point which divides the join of two given points with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio L:m internally are Lx2 plus mx1 upon L plus m and Ly2 plus my1 divided by L plus m. This we have shown in the form of a diagram. Look at this figure. A point x1, y1, one endpoint is given, and B, another endpoint is given to us as x2, y2. When we say internally, then the point of division lies in between A and B. At present, point of division is R, and ratio is L:m. So if we want to write the coordinates, L and m gets multiplied with the coordinates of for n. It is written here, L and m gets multiplied with the coordinates of for n. For L, far end is this. For m, far end is this. So if we want to write on x coordinate, for x coordinate we consider x1, x2. So if I want to write x coordinate, I will write L into x2 plus m into x1 divided by L plus m, which is written here. And for y coordinate we consider y1, y2, L y2 plus m y1 upon L plus m, which is written here. So these are the coordinates of the point of intersection in the ratio L:m internally.